Now, yesterday, the shares of NEO, ladies and gents, finished the day up over 11%. NEO yesterday finished the day trading at $5.27, and already pre-market today, again, it's already up 5%. This is something that is pretty exciting because it appears, or it's looking like those deliveries that NEO reported yesterday, a lot of investors are really liking them, which is why we are seeing some huge volumes into the NEO stock. This is something that is even resulting in the big financial institutions like Morgan Stanley reiterating an overweight on the NEO stock with a double digits price target. This is something that we are yet going to see, especially if NEO can continue with the momentum we saw yesterday. I mean, on Tuesday we already got the hint that NEO was going to do well in terms of the deliveries, but not as good as they produced from the NEV insurance registration, which to get to see NEO, of course, reporting the kind of figure they did yesterday, it was so amazing. And to see NEO ending the day over 11%, I mean, it was pretty amazing. I mean, there were those that were commenting even on the videos that I do about NEO, indicating that NEO, ladies and gents, NEO share price might be going to $1 per stock, of which my response to them was, like, if it goes there, we'll add more. And of which, the way things are looking, it appears that going back to $1 won't be that possible anymore. Chances are very slim, because right now NEO is delivering with the kind of deliveries they're producing on a month to month. Many investors, institutional or individual investors, are going to load the boat, because to this, especially the yesterday's vehicles or deliveries were pretty amazing, and therefore the market will continue rewarding NEO for that, and the investors are going to continue loading the boat. There are some big financial institutions that really trimmed, like Billy Guilford, onto NEO a couple of weeks ago, and I wonder what's in their mind when they see NEO delivering such good deliveries like what we saw yesterday. I wonder what do they think about this over 15,000 or 15,620 vehicles we saw yesterday, because to them, the decision that they took of trimming so much onto NEO, yeah, right now it might not be a good decision, because NEO, we are seeing it recovering in terms of sales, and you will know that especially beginning of the year, a lot of the institutional investors or a lot of big financial institutions came in and said that yeah, they are bearish, or they are sort of like neutral on NEO this year, because NEO is not going to release any new models, and therefore they believe that sales wise NEO want to do that well, which yeah, I also wonder what those big financial institutions have to say about the deliveries. Yes, Morgan Stanley has already come out and said that they are overweight onto NEO, they are happy, and they give it a $10 price target. And yeah, man, this just shows you that when you remain long and strong and trust your fundamentals, and trust a stock like, or a company like NEO, ladies and gents, at the end of the day will be rewarded. This is just the beginning, and I'm not saying that in the next month we'll also get over 15,000. Yes, we might not get this, we might get lower or more, which of course in the long term we are more focused into the long term, and that is the where we see NEO delivering some pretty good deliveries from their main brand NEO together with their two sub brands. I mean, that is what we look forward to. I mean, this share price wise, when we see it reacting positively towards this, and I am very excited, and I hope to see days like this. I hope these days can last, and we get to see NEO heading back towards the double digits figures, which is something that would be so relieving to the NEO investors. I know it might be too early to really be put a stamp on the NEO deliveries to say that NEO is finally back to deliver over 15,000, but I probably think that chances are high that we might not see NEO delivering anything below 15,000 going forward, because of the incentives, because of the strategies that NEO is implementing, trying to attract of course consumers into coming and buy the NEO cars. So I personally think that this is just the beginning. We are yet to see good days from NEO, and those people that use those low trading prices opportunities to scoop more shares, they did very well, because ladies and gents, I must tell you that buying NEO under $4 was a very good opportunity, and those of you that did not use that opportunity as a buy, I hope, yeah man, but you are not too late, because I mean NEO right now, like yesterday, it closed at $5.27, and pre-market it's just over $5.50, which there's still more opportunity, especially looking at the kind of a company NIO could be in the near future. So the potential is still strong, the potential is still there, and those of us that are persevering through this low trading price will definitely be rewarded. And yesterday's share price or stock price just proved to us that NIO is indeed a company that can, though it falls so hard, it can also recover pretty fast or pretty aggressive, which is something that is pretty exciting, as we saw yesterday. I mean, Hong Kong, there was a point in time today, I think I shared my sneak peek on X, where of course it was up over 22%. This is something that, once again, it shows you of how strong NIO is as a company. Otherwise, with all that, guys, I just thought I'd just give you this quick updates. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the likes button, comment, and subscribe. And once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey. And before you buy NIO for the very first time, do your own DD so that at least you can be comfortable as you are investing onto this stock. Otherwise, that's all from me, and God bless you all.